In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail contacts group, also known as a distribution list, from an email list or spreadsheet. We'll start with your email list, which is often stored in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. Make sure your spreadsheet has a clear column that contains only email addresses. If you also have first and last names, that's great. But the most important thing is that your email column is clean, without extra text or multiple emails in the same cell. This will help avoid errors later when you import or copy them. Once your list is ready, highlight the entire column of email addresses. If you're in a spreadsheet, you can click on the column header to select everything at once. Then, copy the list to your clipboard. On most computers, that's as simple as using the standard copy shortcut or right-clicking and choosing copy. We're going to use this list in Google Contacts, which is the place where Gmail actually manages all of your contacts and groups. Now, open a new tab and go to Google Contacts. You can get there by searching for Google Contacts, or from within Gmail by opening the Google Apps menu and choosing Contacts. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for Gmail. Once Google Contacts is open, you'll see a menu on the left that includes options like Contacts, Frequently Contacted, and Labels. Labels are what Google uses instead of what used to be called groups or distribution lists. To create a new group, look for the section labeled Labels on the left side. Then click on the option to create a new label. A small window will pop up asking you to name your label. Choose a clear descriptive name such as Newsletter List, Team Updates, or whatever fits your purpose, and then save it. After creating the label, it will appear in your list of labels. Click on that new label to open it. Right now, it's empty, so we need to add your email list. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to add contacts. Click that, and in the field that appears, paste the list of email addresses you copied from your spreadsheet. Google Contacts will recognize each email and create new contacts as needed. When you confirm, all of those emails will be added into this label. Once that's done, your Gmail contacts group is ready to use. The next time you compose an email in Gmail, just start typing the label name in the To field, select it, and Gmail will automatically address your message to everyone in that distribution list.